Okay, this is a video of my dad frying his chicken. His fried chicken is amazing. It's not the typical fried chicken in the house kind of chicken, but it's fried in his own special fryer. I'll show you what that is. It's really cool. This is my home. This is where I grew up. Well, not like all my life, but the most important parts of my life. This is where I grew up. Everybody's hanging out up on the deck, eating the pico de gallo. That's a scary cemetery. Not really. And anyway, this is Dad's fryer. We have to get the big boxes of peanut oil. And then we put it in the fryer. It's connected to its own propane tank. And we have a system of the chicken goes into the egg milk mixture, which goes into the flour, which goes into the fryer. He's missing his styrofoam crates that we line with aluminum foil and bread to keep it warm and soak up the grease. So that's something I need to go get from him. And I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. Bye.